Good morning, children. I am very happy to meet you all again in this session. Today, we are going to learn the subject Social Studies. In Social Studies, today we are going to learn lesson 10. The name of the lesson today we are going to learn is environmental pollution. Environmental pollution. Environment means our surroundings. Surrounding the where we lives. How it is polluted. Now, before moving on into the lesson, we are going to do get set. Look at here. Tick those that pollute the environment. Below you have some pictures. What are the things that pollute the environment? We are going to give a tick. Number 1. What is this? Car. Car gives out a smoke. Is it good for us? No, it pollutes the air. So it pollutes the environment. So you have to give a tick. And then number 2. Grass. Grasses pollute the environment. No, it never pollutes. So we shouldn't touch this. And then number 3, jute bags. Jute bags pollute the environment. No, jute bags can be easily decomposable. Plastic bags only affect the environment. So we shouldn't touch this. And then number 4, water bottles. Water bottles, use and throw bottles pollute the environment. Yes, it pollutes the environment. So you have to give a tick. And then number 5, cans. Can, does it pollute the environment? That Coca-Cola tin just like that pollute the environment? Yes, it pollutes the environment. So we have to give a tick. And then number 6, this is a speaker, big one. Does it pollute the environment? Yes, it pollutes the environment. What type of pollution shall we see now? Yes, so you have to give a tick in this one also, sixth one. Shall we pass on to the lesson now? Our environment consists of living and non-living things like air, water, land, plants and animals. We all are plants and animals, human beings. These are all living things, and the non-living things are air, water and land. Okay. Over time, humans have carried out various activities to suit their needs that have caused changes in the environment. Many years before, people carry bags to buy things. Yes, no? Yes, they carry bags with them. Otherwise, if they want to buy some food items, they carry some vessels with them. But nowadays, they are using many use and throw materials that pollutes the environment. What is a pollution? What is a pollution? The harm caused to the environment is called pollution. The harm caused to the environment. We are polluting the environment. No? Yes, by using so many use and throw things, we are polluting the environment. In doing so, humans have become the greatest threat to the environment. We are the greatest threat to the environment. And there are 4 types of pollution. There are 4 main types of pollution. What are the 4 main types? Number 1, air. Number 2, water. Number 3, land. Number 4, noise. There are 4 main types of pollution. What are they? Air, water, land and noise. Now we are going to learn about air pollution. Now we are going to learn about air pollution. What do you mean by air pollution? What do you mean by air pollution? The mixing of harmful gases, dust, smoke and other particles in the air is called air pollution. The mixing of harmful gases, dust, smoke and other particles in the air is called air pollution. And this air pollution causes many breathing diseases. We breathe air, polluted air, we get many diseases. What are the causes of this air pollution? Shall we see now? First, we are going to see about natural causes of air pollution. What are number 1? Sandstorms, volcanic eruptions, forest fires, and pollen from plants and flowers. These are all the natural causes of air pollution. What are they? Sandstorms, volcanic eruptions, forest fires, pollen from plants and flowers. These are all the natural causes. And this volcanic eruption, fog or volcanic smoke, is a form of air pollution. It's formed by gases that are released when a volcano erupts. Next, we are going to see the human-made factors. What are the human-made factors? What are the main cause? We are going to see now. Number 1, smoke from factories, smoke from vehicles, burning of fuels and firecrackers. These are the main causes of air pollution. What are the main causes and the human-made factors of air pollution? Smoke from factories, smoke from vehicles, and burning of fuels and firecrackers. Sometimes these pollutants, the pollutants like these pollutants, when we burning this fuels, everything, no, these pollutants combine with the natural substances. Natural substances are fog, F-O-G, fog. For example, smog. Smog is a combination of smoke plus fog. It's a combination of smoke and fog. Okay, it looks like a cloud. It looks like a cloud and makes the air hazy. It is very harmful and causes breathing problems. Look at here, this smoke. The smoke comes out from burning the fuels. Along with the fog, it may mingle with and it makes the air hazy. And when we breathe this air, we get many breathing problems. This air pollution not only affects us, it affects plants also. Air pollution also harm plants. How it harm plants? Due to the presence of pollutants in the air, plants do not get enough nutrients. Because of the pollutants in the air, the plant do not get enough nutrients. Their growth slows down. They become weak and eventually they die. So it not only affects humans, it affects nature also. Okay, it affects plants also. Next, we are going to learn about water pollution. Now we are going to learn about water pollution, how water is polluting. Define water pollution. When harmful substances are discharged into water bodies, they cause water pollution. Define water pollution. When harmful substances are discharged into water bodies. What are the water bodies we have? Rivers, pond, lake, sea. These are the water bodies. They cause water pollution. Okay. Now, fresh water, salty water and groundwater can get polluted. Now we are going to see the causes of water pollution. Causes of water pollution. In this causes, first we are going to see about the natural factors. How naturally the water gets polluted. Sometimes it may be get polluted. Water is polluted by natural factors. For example, it is storm. Storm often cause soil and other particles to dissolve in water. This pollutes the water. It cannot be used for drinking and cooking. The water is not suitable for drinking and cooking. And then water is also polluted by human made factors. Because of the human activities also water gets polluted. What are the human activities? Shall we see? Chemical waste. Dumping chemical waste from factories into the water bodies. Look at here. They are dumping the chemical waste in the water bodies. Next one is household waste. Dumping household waste and untreated sewage in water bodies. Untreated sewage means in some houses they didn't treat the sanitation. They don't have a proper sanitation in their house and they didn't clean that. They don't have the process of cleaning the sewage water. So they pollute the water. Dumping household waste and untreated sewage in water bodies. And then bathing and washing. Bathing and washing the clothes in rivers and lakes. And then leakage from oil tankers. Leakage from oil tankers. These are the four main things. Shall we recall the four main things? Dumping chemical waste from factories in water bodies, dumping household waste and untreated sewage in water bodies, bathing and washing clothes in rivers and lakes, and then leakage from oil tankers. This water pollution is very harmful for plants, animals and humans. This air pollution is harmful for plants and humans, we learned. This water pollution is harmful for plants, animals as well as humans. Why it's affected? Because many animals are living in water also. So if water gets contaminated, it affects the animals that lives in that water. So these three are affected. Who are affected? Plants, animals and humans. And the diseases that we are getting because of this water pollution are jaundice, gastroenteritis and typhoid. What are the diseases caused? Jaundice, gastroenteritis and typhoid. These are the diseases we are getting when we drink this polluted water. Now you understand this topic clearly, air pollution and water pollution. Now we are going to do the checkpoint. Tick the correct answers. Number 1, the greatest threat to the environment. Which is the greatest threat to the environment? Nature or humans? We are the greatest threat, humans. So you have to give a tick in the humans. And then number 2, volcanic eruptions cause this pollution. Volcanic eruptions cause this pollution. What type of pollution volcanic eruption cause? Yes, the gases are released at that time. Smoke comes out, no? Yes, air, it pollutes the air. So you have to give a tick in air. And then number 3, leakage from oil tankers cause this pollution. What type of pollution leakage from oil tankers? Water pollution. Today's homework, you have to read the lesson 10 pages 69 and 70 and you have to do the get set and checkpoint in social studies book. Okay children, I hope you all understand these two topics clearly. We will meet in the next session. Thank you all.